Did he try to tell us she's on the wrong side?
Yeah.
Damn, he's bright. I want you to start him on his ABCs and stuff and little words.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I see you.
I see you. Peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo. I see you. Hey. Peekaboo. Hey. Hey. You okay? Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up.
I think he enjoys making the noise.
I love you.
Look, there goes Hayden going in there.
Go get Hayden. Go get Hayden.
Hayden's in your tent.
Hayden's in the tent.
Look.
Peekaboo.
Hayden's in the tent. Nope, nope. Cute little crap. Give me that. He's like, I'll trade you. What are you doing, Hayden? Hi, Miss Hayden.
Papa.
What are you doing, Bugs?
Papa.